Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be making my meatball with mushroom gravy, and it's served over a bed of garlic mashed potato. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. Now let's cook. Okay guys, what I like to do is that I like to saute my vegetables, which includes my onion and my garlic. So because I like the fragrance from that, in my opinion, I think it tastes a whole lot better. So I don't like to add the raw onions to my beef. So I'll be sauteing my onions until they are fragrant. Then I'll add my binder, which is my breadcrumbs. Now guys, if you try this method, I promise, I guarantee you won't regret it. It's just amazing, no lie. Okay, so now we have our ground beef here, and I'm just seasoning that with some Maggi all-purpose season, some browning, and I'll be adding my, my sauteed onions and breadcrumb. So I'm gonna add some garlic powder, Old Bay season, and some paprika, and I'm just going to rub that in. Now I'll be shaping my meatballs about 1.5 inches round, and I'm going to place those meatballs on a cookie sheet. Now I'll be adding 2 quarts of canola oil to my pan, and I'm just going to let that heat on medium heat. Then I'll add my meatballs. Now I'm going to leave them to sit until they are brown on each side. And you guys can also bake your meatballs. You can put it in the oven if you want. This is a method that I prefer because I like when the outside is a little bit crunchy. Now I'm transferring my meatballs to a paper towel to drain. Now guys, it's time to make your brown gravy for your meatballs. So right now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm just going to allow that to melt. Now that it's melted, I'll be adding a handful of mushroom, and I'm just going to saute those. I love me some mushroom in gravy. Like, we can debate, honey, but honey, a meatball gravy without mushroom is, it's just a no-no for me, especially if it's a brown gravy. We're not talking about marinara here. Brown gravy. So I'm just using this brown gravy mix, and you just want to combine that with water. See, it wasn't fully mixed out. Then I'll be adding some beef broth just to thin it out. And I mean, guys, that is it. It's pretty simple. Just allow that to simmer and reduce, and we're ready to serve. And guys, I'll be serving this over a bowl of garlic mashed potato. Look how amazing this. I'm not going to lie, this is one of the most satisfying dish I've had. It tastes so southern, like it was just so fulfilling. I'm not gonna lie about this. I always cook, but this is one of my favorite dish. Now guys, this dish tastes like it was cooked by one of the food gods, no lie, I promise you. But you guys will know, like, try this recipe, guys, try it, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.